Ladies and gentlemen, this is Kazak USA. My name is Vlad. We're manufacturers of the famous sharpeners Kazak all around the world from 2015. KazakUSA.com, and you will find more products about. But today I'm gonna show you how to assemble your lightning system. So I will show you the instruction right now. First of all, I will move this sharpener right here. It's Kazak Pro. It doesn't matter which type of system you will use for it. Systems Kazak UBR, Systems Kazak Pro, and Systems Kazak Model 100 got this hole where you can screw in your lightning system. So let's open it and let's go step by step. Everything is going so simple. You just get off this brass part. You screw this part, this hole. You can put your key and lock it more hard. The next step, so easy. We just put our lightning system right here, and that's it. All the systems got this screw. You can use it to fix it more or less, depends on how you want it to work. So right now it's perfect. A little bit here, we can here, and the last step is so easy. So the next step is our holder. As you can see, you can put your power bank right there and connect it to the light, which I show you later. As you can see, we got a power bank, so we get much more light. And of course, the last step is just to open our light system. You will find here additional cable for to charge your lighting system. Here is the magnet, so you just screw it in like that, and right now when we screw it, we can get out our magnet, and we can put it also back and use our system. Let me show you. I will turn this light off. So the function of this light, you can go from cold to warm. You can use it a little bit, put it down for the knife, whatever you want. And here is maximum. As you can see, it's enough. It's pretty. You know, I watched on my age and everything is so clear. So I really recommend this light, especially system with additional light like that, same above but from another side. You can find it on our website. Also, you can get it out and use it whatever you want, just like a man. So yes, thanks for watching. Let me know what you think about this system and this lighting system in comments down below. My name is Vlad, Kazak USA, 208-380-4357 if you live in the United States. Thank you.